Hi, this is James Shug with Westpac London's end of day report for Wednesday the 6th of February. It's going to be a quick one today because there really wasn't much to talk about. No significant US economic data today. We had German factory orders. They rose 0.8% in December, partially reversing a 1.8% fall in November. The domestic component was down, the foreign component was down, but the orders from the rest of Europe, they rose 2.5%, and that offset the other order declines. That's it on significant data really. No standout earnings reports. Quite a few bits of news in the UK. Barclays had to set aside another £1 billion to cover mis-selling claims. RBS has copped a $612 million fine related to LIBOR rigging. BP are being pursued for I think another 30 odd billion worth of compensation related to the Gulf of Mexico disaster a couple of years ago. Although the OECD did say that the UK economy was just ticking over, but the government needed to watch out for any sign that markets might be losing confidence in their fiscal strategy, because consequent reaction could be swift and painful. That's about it really. I mean, markets are down today. We've got loss on the FTSE at about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so just before the close, of 0.1%. The French market, though, down 1.8%. German's down 1.4%. Spain's down 0.6%, and the Italian's down 1.2%. It's political uncertainty. There's a big story today in Italy, as it was earlier this week, with Berlusconi. Berlusconi's still second in the race ahead of the February 24 elections, but apparently the gap between him and the market-preferred Democrat Party is less than the sampling error, or the margin of error. So it's going to be close. The US market, the Dow's down 0.25% at the moment at 13,944. We've got Aussie jobs figures coming out Thursday. We've got the Bank of England and the European Central Bank tomorrow in my part of the world. Commodity prices, which I forgot to mention, they are copper prices down 0.75%, oil down 0.8%, $95.83 a barrel, and gold up 0.1% at $1,675 an ounce. The Aussie dollar is at 1.031 against the US dollar. It's fallen quite sharply since the RBA statement earlier this week, and more recently the week retail sales figures that came out last night, so Wednesday Australian time. Okay, that's it for now. We'll be back again tomorrow.